This video is about cash payments to suppliers. Cash payments to suppliers requires an income statement and statement of financial position. We have corporate income statement dictionary and a financial position dictionary. Our function is called cash_payments that uses both dictionaries. Run the function. The output for cash payments is broken down from cash receipts from customers to total cash payments and net cash provided by operating activities. I will show you how to make this function now. Corporate income statement is the first data dictionary. Income statement has sales revenue, cost of goods sold, depreciation and expenses. Our second data dictionary is corporate financial position, current assets in cash, accounts receivable, inventory, and prepaid expense. The format is the same for 2017. Let us rename the dictionary fin_pos for shorthand. Financial position years is a list of the dictionary keys, which allows for reuse of the dictionary. Next is the shorthand income variable for income statement dictionary. Income is a list of values, which allows for index selection for calculations. Accounts receivable. From the financial position dictionary, list the values for the first dictionary key, and select second element, which is the accounts receivable. Do the same list casting for second year's accounts receivable. Subtract 1 year's value from the other year's value. Cash receipts or accounts received difference. Plus income index 0, plus income index -1, which is the last element in list array. Accounts payable difference is financial position dictionary accounts payable. Select each key accounts payable and subtract 1 year from the other. Inventory difference is inventory from each dictionary key. Then subtract 1 year from the other. Cost of goods sold is income index 1. Purchased cost is inventory difference plus cost of goods sold. Cash suppliers is purchased cost. Subtract accounts payable difference. Operating expense is income. Index 2. Prepaid expense difference is financial position dictionary. Prepaid expense for each year, subtracted from each other. Accrued liability difference is accrued liabilities from each year subtracted. Payment operations. Operating expense plus prepaid expense difference, plus accrued liability difference. Income tax difference. Inside the absolute function we subtract each year's income tax payable from the data dictionary. Income tax expense is income. Index 6, or -2, second last element in the array. Pay income tax. Income tax difference, plus income tax expense. Pay interest is income. Index 5, or -3 in the array. Total cash payments. Cash suppliers plus payment operations, plus pay income tax and pay interest. And lastly, net cash by operations. Net cash by operations is cash receipts. Subtract total cash payments. And then print out this information. Now call our function. Cash payments output. Cash receipts from customers is $517,000. The total cash payment is $354,000. Net cash provided by operating activities is $163,000. And that concludes this video.